Here we have a professional lab microscope. Okay, this does phase contrast and the magnification's up to about 2,000 times. Here is a Canon T2i camera that's hooked up to the trinocular port on this, looking down. And what we've got here is the same slide of tilia. The camera is showing us on the computer screen over here, and I can move things around so that you can see that it's live. You see that we're also zoomed in a little more, so we don't have the nice wide field of view that we had with the cell phone, which means that we would have to move it around a bit in order to see all of what we were seeing before. And we can see what the actual magnification is by clicking here and focus. Yeah, I had it focused pretty much. Right. So these are the cell walls that we were seeing earlier in the phloem, the xylem. And if we want, we can take a picture. There, it just took a picture. And we can go to higher powers. So here, this is with a 20x objective. And we can take another picture. And then we can go to a 40x objective. And now we're seeing some real detail in here, some very tiny hairs and some trapped microorganisms, it looks like, in there. And we're not going to do the oil immersion, that takes too long. But this is the 40x, okay, and this is bright field. Now on this camera we can also go to phase contrast, where we can start seeing a lot more detail in these areas here, because some of these, see the stripes in here that we couldn't see before? These are places where the thing that we're looking at is still transparent, but the index of refraction changes. And with phase contrast you can see these details in otherwise transparent things. So this little X down here, let's see if we could see any detail there. We can see a little bit. We can see some of these stripes in here, but now look at them show up a little better with phase contrast. Of course we're at 40, so let's actually go to the 40x phase there we go.
That's pretty cool.
Now we can see a lot more detail in things over here due to the phase contrast. Okay.
Sounds good.